Jack, wave. Cassie, wave. Say something historical.
Now what was this?
Say something. Furnace.
For what? Oh look, we came out, right? And you pushed the button.
Is there something good in there?
Yeah, they have there's like a tunnel, a little tunnel.
It's a real small tunnel. You have to like go inside it.
Is that iron in the middle?
Come on, we're gonna go in.
You do not.
Just a lump of iron?
Yeah.
Do you have a magnet?
No.
I want to go through the secret tunnel. I'll tell you from here.
Where's Patty go?
There's another one behind you, Dad. Oh, look, there's graffiti.
Is that where they let air into the furnace?
There's graffiti.
There's one right there too. Do they seal this?
Picture of us, Ryan. Gotta get down here, Ryan.
I don't know. It's like a big, giant fireplace, I guess.
It's like a furnace.
You might stick your hand in one of these rocks and twist it, and you have to secret.
It'll bite your hand off. Tell us about this site.
Well, this is made of stone. It's called a furnace. There's lump of iron right there.
Giant thing of graffiti.
There's different structural features here. It's very interesting.
The ceiling's pointy.
It might hurt you.
Oh, look. How do you get through there? He's skinny. Look, come here. Look at this, Ryan.
How do you make it?
Burn it.
Burn what?
Some wood.
That's right. You burn wood to make charcoal.
I know. That's because I play Minecraft. Hey, it has.
You'd learn calculus if they turned it into Minecraft.
Charcoal wood.
That's good, Allie. Nice dirty hands.
Jeff, high five.
No. Mom.
Jack, I can't see you.
Help us hold the sparkle. Hey, lady.
What noise?
Pistons.
Those things?
Yeah, it's pumping, the water wheel's pumping water into these tanks through the pistons. The pistons are lifting it. The wheel is creating the reciprocating action on the, I guess you'd call that a piston rod.
Let me go down there. Other side. Number
reason, say. Wait, what? You know, piston rod going up and down. That rod pushing the whole piston.
I think the horse is getting it. Yeah.